see what I want at the market.
Kauai, beautiful Kauai.
Beautiful Kauai. Tea out of that.
Smells so nice.
Those are mine.
That orange just means it's ripe. Perfect tree Jamaican little boy. Very special.
You got your hands full?
Wow, these are gorgeous. Look at that.
You need a bag or?
I have a bag over there.
You'll need your keys. All right. Okay.
Is the white part?
Yeah, I think that's just. I think these look actually pretty good.
Great.
So I gotta pay for these. We gotta stop here, bro. Look at this place.
Oh, we're on camera. Dad's here. We're on camera.
Yeah, this time is for real.
Dad's just wearing some big shades today. How are you? For you. He's rocking.
Work. What?
Yeah, they really taste like nice and fatty.
Was it another coffee company that's trying?
What are those, bananas or?
They're plantains. I've never had raw plantains. Oh, it's a great texture.
Wow, they're really good.
Those are amazing.
They're called mallows.
Wow, honey.
They're my favorite
I love
plantain. And when you cook them when they're green, they're like potatoes. So they're kind of all different.
The texture is incredible.
Yeah.
Wow.
They're really dense. You know you're getting some nutrition.
So fresh.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much for these two?
$2.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. That is so good. Couple of fatties.
I have a bag over there. It's $5.